Meaning of the English idiom needle in a haystack. Also used like looking for a needle in a haystack, like trying to find a needle in a haystack, and like finding a needle in a haystack. A needle in a haystack is something that is very hard or almost impossible to find. To be engaged in a search that is like looking for a needle in a haystack means to be engaged in a hopeless search, one that is almost certain to fail. It often means trying to find a small thing in a very large area, or a thing that is surrounded by many other things. Examples of use. I lost one of those tiny screws out of my glasses, and it's like looking for a needle in a haystack. This area is full of winding canyons and vast desert plains. If you get lost here, you'll be a needle in a haystack. It's not likely you'll be found. The forest is vast, covering hundreds of miles. Finding the missing child was like trying to find a needle in a haystack. I can't find an apartment in this town. Good apartments around here are like a needle in a haystack. The search for the 18th century provenance of a work of art is a bit like looking for a needle in a haystack, one formed of inventories, descriptions of homes and collections, wills, payment receipts, inscriptions on prints, and so on. Origin of idiom. This idiom has been used since the 1500s. It originally began with the word meadow instead of haystack.